So here we have the Ford Transit Custom on a 21 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you the storage in the rear, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. So this is the sliding side door for the van. We also have those two rear doors, of course. As you can see, it's all ply lined as well. We're going to move on to the controls on the inside of the main cabin area now. Okay, now that we're inside the van, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, you can see what gear this van is in. It's an automatic, so we're in park at the moment. Above that, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges, and then the trip computer above that, which includes the total miles of 10,170. We then have a digital readout for the speedometer, as you can see. You can change the information displayed there by using buttons on the steering wheel as well. We back out to the steering wheel. On the right hand side, we have stereo and phone controls, and on the left hand side, stereo controls continue along with cruise control and speed limiter. Over in the center, we have the touch screen for the van. So this is where you can pair your phone. So hit add phone.
Search for Ford Transit on your device and select Ford Transit once it is found.
And just follow the instructions from there. We have the radio, of course, as you can see, AM, FM and DAB radio. We also have Bluetooth audio as well. On top of that, this van's got two separate USB inputs, so you can plug devices into those as well. One of those devices is just here, along with a 12-volt charging socket. And the second one of those devices is down the bottom here. Just above that, we have the dual zone, or the air conditioning for this particular car. So fan speed, temperature, air conditioning off, back on again. You can decide where you'd like the air to be distributed from here as well. This button will recirculate the air that's in the van. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set just here. We have a heated rear screen, heated front screen, and heated seats for driver and passenger, both with 3 different heat settings each. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.